iOS 26.4 Beta 4 is finally out. This update is around 1.82 gigabytes in size on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's take a look at what's new with this update. First of all, we are finally getting all those new emojis. This includes the trombone emoji, treasure chest emoji, distorted face, which is kinda cool by the way, hairy creature, fight cloud, orca, and landslide. Previously, these emojis were not showing up, but that issue has finally been fixed. Next up, Apple did something really strange in the last few betas. We had an option in accessibility called Reduce Highlighting Effects. Although this option did absolutely nothing, whether it was turned on or off, there was no visible change at all. But with Beta 4, Apple has removed that option and replaced it with Reduce Bright Effects. When you turn on this toggle, it basically reduces the bright effect when you tap on options. It is a very subtle change, but still noticeable. I just hope Apple does not completely remove the Reduce Highlighting Effects option and brings it back in future beta updates so we can finally adjust the highlighting effect in the control center. There is also one more small update in the Measure app. Previously, nothing showed up when tapping a measure in settings, but after this update, you can now manually change the unit specifically for the Measure app. So that is a nice subtle change for this app. Apart from these changes, everything feels a bit snappier. I will also test the battery life to see how well it performs. If you like the wallpapers shown in this video, I've made a dedicated video showing all the apps and sources I use to download such wallpapers. I also shared my minimal iOS 26 setup, so don't forget to check it out. With that said, I will catch you in the next one.